Stream started.
Hello. Hello, hello. Hello. Anyone in chat? This particular time, apparently, no one is showing to the stream. Oh, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, Jampot. Hello, welcome. How are you doing today?
Hand pink waving.
Hello. Hello, hello. How you doing? In my case, it's been quite a busy day. Yeah. I've been working on the Doki Game Jam project, and I believe I made quite a lot of progress, but there is one issue that I need to fix, and that is I'm missing two features. One it is the wall jump, and the second one is climbing up an edge that I have not implemented. I have an idea how to do the second one. The first one I'm not sure. You're working? I hope you are having a good day at work. Yeah. Hopefully. Yeah. So, just to show off, just hanging out there, out here. Nice. It doesn't sound like you're working, more like you're hanging out at work. Yeah. Nice. So allow me to show off a little bit. So this is the project I've been working for the Doki Game Jam. I still have like 4 days maybe.
Stream started. Hand pink waving.
Hold on. This always breaks. 1 second. There we go. So this is the current project, right? I have a bug here where these letters show behind the actual button instead of on top of it, which is an issue. So I had to make the buttons half transparent so you can actually read what's there, right? So we can walk, we can jump, we can crouch, we can crawl, right? And I added this little feature. I don't know if you have heard of the game known as Gunpoint. Basically, it's a game where they let you hack stuff to make it like react to different stuff. So for example, I can connect this camera right here by clicking on it and then dragging and connecting it to a different object. So when I actually trigger the camera, it will trigger the other object, right? And I can do this in such a way in which I can actually loop the stuff. So I can do, for example, connecting this to that, this to this, that to this over here to create a little loop, right? And then I just trigger one and they will start triggering each other like this, which is quite nice, right? Yeah. It's like a switch? Yes, indeed. But I can literally connect everything with everything. Literally. Yeah, I didn't add any like restrictions to it. So you can actually do it however you like. Mm. Yes. So that's one thing. Yeah. And I feel like I need to do, what to call it, some improvements. For example, it's hard to tell which way the connection is going. So I was thinking of making maybe like an animation where you see the signal travel through the line towards the next object, right? But I still have not done that yet. Yeah. And that's what I'm doing currently. You can also go through vents. You can climb walls and wall jump, kinda. It's a bit difficult to wall jump because the code is not like working perfectly, but it's possible. Ah. And you can hang on to the little edges. The issue is that I don't have code for you to like go up once you are holding onto the edge. I'm still working on that. Yeah. But it's getting there. It's lovely. Yeah. I want to make this game as chaotic as possible. So I'm probably going to make like when one of these things actually opens. So it can actually push stuff like bombs and that kind of stuff. Yeah. Yeah. That's the idea. Yes. That's the one for the Doki Game Jam. And the one I'm going to be working today is going to be a different one. One second. This one. I don't know if this one actually works because I updated the editor and that usually comes with issues. Hopefully it works just fine. Yeah. Apparently it's working nice. Okay. That's the animation I'm working on currently. It doesn't quite look correct, sadly. It's getting there, but it's not quite there. Also, it doesn't really hurt the player. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Hello. Hello, hello. You want to stick around? That's fine, don't worry about it. It's fine, it's fine. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. So we're working on the strike. This boss is actually more complex than any other bosses I actually made so far. Yeah. Okay, so currently this is how it looks. It doesn't look quite right yet. I think this should be a bit more straight before it actually hits. So maybe like this. I feel like my voice is a little bit more tired than other days. Just a little bit. Okay. By the way, soon I will probably release the current version of the Donkey King Jam. Maybe today or tomorrow. So everyone can actually play it. I just need to make a few levels and fix a few stuff. That's a big jump, huh? Also, it's not like quite aligned with the actual strike here, which is a bit of an issue. Okay. Then I think I just delete these extra frames right here. And make more copies of this to make it look more clean. Yeah, the only issue right now is with the swing. Kind of. Yeah. But it's getting there, slowly. I'm trying not to like take too much time making like the art for the boss fight, even though I think it's one of the most important parts. Mainly because I feel like I'm making no progress in the game in general. It actually looks very good once you have like the shadow. Maybe I should give it a shadow. Huh. It actually looks pretty good with the shadow. Huh. Interesting.
Hola.
Hola Spy, bienvenido. Bienvenido, bienvenido. Hello. Hello, hello. How are you doing today? Hello. Hello. Estoy bien. Muy bien, muy bien. ¿Cómo está tu Spy? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Okay. Let's see. Me he estresado por la materia de inglés. ¿Y eso por qué? Uno esperaría que si estás viendo mis directos, tendrías que tener más o menos un nivel básico de inglés en general. Yeah. You would think that? Yes. ¿Estuviste en la liga de diamante de Duolingo? Entonces, ¿por qué tienes miedo de la materia de inglés? Como que no cuadra. A menos de que Duolingo no sirva de nada. Lo cual es muy posible. Sí. ¿50-50? Bueno, yo la verdad nunca aprendí inglés de la manera normal. No la aprendí en la escuela. lo aprendí jugando videojuegos y viendo películas, escuchando música en inglés. Yeah. La pronunciación me costó más. No fue hasta que empecé a hacer directos en inglés que de verdad empecé a ganar la habilidad de pronunciar bien. Y aún hoy pienso que no pronuncio bien. Yeah, even today I don't think I pronounce English quite correctly. Yeah, even though I feel like it has improved quite a lot. De hecho, hasta me daba miedo hablar con gente de otros países en inglés. No era tanto pena, era miedo, de plano. Yeah. Y no fue hasta que realmente me dediqué a hablar inglés que se me quitó. Yeah. Mm. Bueno, la cosa sí dividieron mi grupo y el de las más carreras y los revolvieron en 8 zonas diferentes. Odio cuando hacen eso. Literalmente lo único que hacen es romper grupos sin razón alguna. Pasó en mi escuela cuando estaba en la preparatoria. Y lo único que lograron fue causar caos. Y la razón por la que lo hicieron se me hizo tan tonta. Lo hicieron porque querían... no, porque los salones... Se supone que cuando subes de grado, cambias de salón. Resulta que después de cierto grado en adelante, ellos no tenían suficientes salones para subir a todos los grupos parejos. Entonces agarraron un grupo y lo partieron entre todos los otros grupos, lo cual se me hace muy mal, la verdad. Yeah. This is looking quite good. It feels a bit weird, but it's looking kinda good maybe. What is this doing there? It is like little piece of green randomly. Since it's a placeholder, I think it's looking good. Yeah. Hicieron esa es mi clase de matemáticas. ¿Qué más? A mí nunca me ha parecido cuando hacen eso, la verdad. And let's see now, just we're missing the shadow. I'm not looking for something like that looks good, I'm just looking for something that looks decent. These lines look worse the more I go forward. Conmigo particularmente, cuando estuve en la universidad, los grupos cambiaban muchísimo. De hecho, creo que nunca tuve el mismo grupo en ningún momento, la verdad. En la universidad sí cambian muchísimo, porque estás ahí no para estar con los amigos, la verdad. Ya es algo más profesional. Okay. That kinda looks weird in many ways. Really weird, actually. Now we need the shadow. Hold on. For a moment I thought it was raining. It is not. Okay, so this is looking way better, I think. Let's see. Okay, that looks way better, for sure. ¿No los dejan a ustedes elegir el maestro con el que van a tomar la clase? Cuando yo estuve en la universidad, yo elegí a mis maestros. Okay, this looks good, right? Now, what I'm going to do is give this a specific name. Let's give this attack left L, and I will duplicate this and make the attack right. And I will make it by simply mirroring the images like that. It doesn't look good at all. Okay. This looks kinda good, kinda doesn't look good. Let's see. Collision mask. Yeah, that's not good. Let's make this frame precise. That doesn't look good. Like that. That's probably for the best. Even though it's going to be a little bit heavy. Yeah. Okay, let's see. So now that we have the root attack, let me fix this like that. And I need to set it so the root attack actually does damage. Telegraph, spawner, spawner, swipe attack. Okay. This is going to be very simple. I'm just going to set the thing to do damage. Let me use one of the sword strikes as an example. Okay. So I will use projectile currents as a base. I need to overwrite the step with this. So overwrite. An animation end, we just end. It self-destructs, and that's it. It's already self-destructing, but I will just override it, so just it destroys. Yeah. Pues de momento esas reglas no me parecen malas. Todo al momento me parece bien. Lo del inglés tal vez podría ser demasiado. Si ustedes no tienen ya una materia en inglés, se me era mucho. Si tienen una materia en inglés, él no debería estar enforzando el inglés. Pero si no la tienen, me parece bien. Yeah. Especialmente si ustedes reciben inglés antes de ingresar a la universidad. Porque si ya lo tomaron por 5 años, ya deberían de haber aprendido inglés, la verdad. Yeah. Okay, let's check this. New game. Ah, wait. Continue. Oh wow, it didn't even spawn, huh? Oh, projectile name no set. That's the issue. Got it. What is it? Root attack. Okay, so let's set this to... Where are you? Root. Still not like correct for some reason. Root attack missing. Neutral missing. Okay, I see what the issue is. We need a direction here. So let's see. Currently we don't have a direction here, so I will simply inherit the event and say, hey, direction equals direction dot left by default. That way it won't cause issues. Actually, do I have a dir here? I do. So let me remove this then. Since I already have it here, I will just set it here. Yeah. Suena como que esa materia la vas a reprobar. Porque me imagino que el maestro va a querer las tareas en inglés. Yeah. Root attack missing. Oh, it's because I typed the name wrong over here. TK. There we go. Let's see. There we go. Ouch. And it actually hurts. Nice. Sprites, rock, coal, and... Huh. What is that from? Oh wait, maybe from outside the window? Outside the bottom, excuse me? Yeah, apparently. Okay, this seems to be working just nice. So now I just need to detect where the player is left or right and spawn the attack. Okay, so let me close that. Close this, and I need to check this one. Actually, let me close this. Just so I can do a clean state. Swipe attack. And I also want the boss itself. The rose. Okay. So let's see. We're going to do something very particular. ¿El problema es el examen vocal? Pues suena que tienes lo que dura esa clase para aprender inglés. Que en teoría debería ser fácil si realmente interactuaste con inglés en general. Yeah. Okay, if our HP is under max HP over 2, then we spawn instance, create layer XY. Actually, let me check what the position we need to make this thing. To 40, 192. Okay. 192. Let's see. Layer will be simply instances. And object would be object swipe attack. And the variables, let me check. Variable. Okay. So I simply say here, I want you to set direction to either left or right, depending on what we are doing. So let me calculate the location of the player. So var underscore dir player equals distance on x equals to x minus object player dot x if distance on x is under 0. That means the player bar_player here. Let's assume the direction to be right by default. So if this is greater than 0, that means our direction is actually left. So I will simply say direction dir.left, and I will pass that to the variable right here. Oh wait, like this, right? Yeah. In theory that should work, I think. And I will set here a condition. If what was it? Instance exists of object swipe attack. If no instance exists, give it a try. Let me remove this condition just to test. Let's see. That means it will be attacking constantly. Ok, nos vemos, Spy. Buena suerte. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's working correctly. Oh, it's actually working perfectly. Huh. Interesting. Now for the swipe attack, I kinda want a little bit more pushback. So we'll add slash, let's make it a shockwave. And let's make the knockback what? Let's say a 7, just to test. Oh wow, that's quite the knockback. I need to do something so the knockback doesn't send you through doors. That's an issue. It's not that much of a knockback, but you can actually feel it. Yeah. Oh. Huh? Oh, I ran out of health. Something will happen there. Ouch. Ah. Ouch. Okay. It's working just as I expected. Maybe the knockback is not big enough. But I think I will keep it like that for now. Okay, now that I have that, I just need to like measure the movement. So let's add the distinction again. I kinda also want like a cooldown. Let's see. Let me hear on that. Let's say swipe fire rate. Let's set it to what? 5 seconds? That would be 300 frames. And I will set a timer also. Starting at 0. And what I'm going to do is simply say if or swipe timer is greater than or swipe fire rate and these other conditions work, then we execute this, right? That will create the swipe attack. Now I just need to like decide exactly what will be like the sequence of attacks in general. No hay problema, Spy, no te preocupes. Let's see. So we have I think I will set this spawner to be by default there. The siege shooter I think would be the second one. So we have how many faces? We have the thorn face, right? Then we have the siege shooter face. Next we have the spike face. And finally we will add the swipe. I think that's good, right? No hay problema. No hay problema, Spy. No te preocupes. Eso suena extraño. Okay. I need to focus. Let's see. I'm thinking. One moment. So the turn will be for free. Then we need the seed shooter. So if our HP is currently at 75%, right? That would be less than or match HP over 4 times 3. Then we spawn the object underscore seed shooter spawner, right? So I just created right here. And I can remove this. Okay. The next case would be this spike. Let's make that one to be at 50%. So we do that. And that would be the object spike. Thorn spawner? Is that the correct one? Hold on. Yeah. Object thorn spawner. There we go. And I will use this instead. Okay. Eso no es bueno, al menos a mí no me parece una buena idea, porque entonces vas a tener el detalle de que van a estar tratando de hacer cosas raras y eso puede resultar en problemas. Last one at 25%. I will spawn the swipe back attack. This one right here. It would be 25%, so let's make that 25%. And I can remove this actually. Like that. So in theory that should be working the way I want it. Now I just need to clear these ones. And then swipe attack. Okay. And I believe the Rose has the boss parent, right? Let me check the attack targets. Hit list. That would be... We do have the boss variant. Okay, in theory I should be able to trigger what the different phases already. Let me check. So we go in, the boss starts, right? So we should be seeing like turns. There we go. Oh, the pea shooter is already here. And the turn shooter also. Huh. How many HP does this boss have again? Did I give it Any HP at all? I wonder. Oh. Oh. Okay, let me check the... I don't remember how much SP I give it. Oh, that's the issue. Max SP 1. How many strikes shall we give it? 20? Inherent is banned. Open parent. Boss parent. On animation range. On animation destroy. Dying. Okay. That looks good. Okay. That's fine. This is what? Thermal live ID collision. String room height. What is this again? ID title, check for collision. Title ID. Oh, and you're checking for the collisions. Okay. Why was I doing this again? I don't remember. Okay. Let me check again. Son 3, 4, 5. That should be 75% now. So now we have the flower shooters. Yeah. Ouch. Okay, I need to fix that. That's for sure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we should have the we don't have it. Interesting. Now we should have it. Right? Yeah, there we go. Now they are spawning. Ouch. One, two, three, 4, 5. Now we'll have the... We should have the spikes, in theory. Oh, there they are. Yeah, okay, that's working. Nice, nice. Now we should start with the sipes. Ah. He's not spawning the sipes. Huh. That's weird. You shouldn't really be using the swipes. Huh. Okay, something's wrong with the swipes. Let's see. Swipe timer graded. Oh, I see. That's the issue. I never actually increased the swipe timer. That's the issue. I see. Also, I never actually reset the swipe timer to 0. That's another issue. Yeah. Like that. Game over estilo creepypasta. ¿Te parece creepypasta? Okay. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Now we should have the spike one, in theory. There we go. There is the spike one. Oh, wow. That is the one I was waiting for. Maybe the time I should increase it. It's a little bit too fast. Ah, ouch. Okay. Ouch. Okay, this is harder than I thought it would be. Wow. Ah. Okay. It's looking better, but I believe the boss requires some defense. Give me a moment, I need to check the door. I'll be right back. One moment. Okay, I'm back. Hello, hello. Hmm? Wait. Oh. I was like, did the music stop? What happened? Huh. Okay. Now that is working fairly good. I think I need to double this because the time is a little bit too short between strikes. Okay. That is looking good. Let's see. Now what I want is basically a wall of thorns. Let me think. How do I make this make sense? Okay. Let's see. I will simply make a new sprite to start with. Right? Let's see. So what I want for this is to make basically a thorn. So I want to use the same colors in theory, right? Than this one. So let me grab the colors. Also, I forgot to give it a name. Let's call this sprite thorn wall. Okay, so I want this color right here. Let's see. So I want basically from the ground them sprouting, right? And coiling. Maybe doing something like this in different directions, right? So maybe from here we can go like this, and the other one goes like that. Okay. Let's make this how about 16 frames? 6 3 6 9 12 16 3 6 9 12 15, 16, okay. And what I'm going to do is simply make the thorns like sprout, like that, right? And this will go like this, and one will go from here. Actually, hold on, scratch that. I want to have each one on different layers. So let's see. Okay. So I will not loop this one. Let's see. Let's start with this. So we play it. And it would be like, right? Okay, let's delete this one. Okay, so we'll move these ones over here to make the frame look good, like this. It doesn't actually look good. What happened there? It only moved one, really? Oh. Can I not, like, cut them? And paste? Like that? Ah, that looks good. Okay. Simplemente puedes decir que no. O lo que puedes hacer es crear otro usuario en Windows, uno de invitado, a manera de que no pueda entrar a tu sección de la máquina. Yeah. Siempre puedes decir que no. Let's see. I want these colors also. Okay. And I can grab this. Once, two. Okay. Si alguien no me hace pacífico, siempre digo que sí cuando se trata de ayudar a mirar las veces, si es que esto me alcanza. Yo en particular solo ayudo si puedo. No es si está en mi alcance o no. Es si yo siento que no hay, que no me va a perjudicar, básicamente. Yeah. De otra forma, simplemente digo que no. Okay, so we start with a little like hole, right? And we can like give it something like this. And then we need to expand this. I'm going to just extend the little thing to be like a sprout. Right? Then we move on to the next. And I will do the same. I will just copy this. And then just extend this. Yes, I don't have to be doing this work over and over. Ah. Okay. Now let's see. We are going like this. There is a little bit missing right there. Then we move forward like that. Okay. This actually is looking really good. Surprisingly good. Yeah. This might be a little bit too detailed, now that I think about it. Maybe I'm putting too much effort into this. No tienes cuerda dentro de ese, ¿eh? Está bien. Muy bien. Okay, so this will look like that. Doesn't quite look good, in my opinion. Oh. Estoy bien, tranquilo, medio. Trabajando principalmente en el juego que estoy haciendo para Ducky Bird. De la Game Jam. I don't know if this looks good. But then again, the objective is not for it to look perfect. It's just for it to look decent. It looks fast, quite fast, I will say. That doesn't look good. Okay. Maybe it's moving. No, it's moving at the speed I expected. Wait, no. This one. Yeah, this should be 16 frames, so it should look like that. It actually looks pretty good. Yeah. Es una competencia organizada por otro VTuber llamado DokiBird. Y ella está ofreciendo $2,000 para el primer lugar. Quien haga el mejor juego. Yeah. Dio 2 semanas para hacer el juego y se tiene que entregar este sábado. Yeah. Y siento que no voy a terminar a tiempo. Tristemente. Yeah. This actually looks pretty good, I think. Yeah. Ok. Está progresando, está progresando.
Check out of the game. I am sleeping
Hello.
in my garden, and the second half of the way you could just be back on track for the stuff.
Hello, hello. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. 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 How are you doing? FBI? Hello, hello. 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 Okay, let's see. It doesn't look bad. Let me see. It looks a bit strange, but it does look like it's growing. So, yeah. Welcome to 10 credits, it's your birthday. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Just passing by as a great day. That's fine. That's fine, that's fine. If you're sleepy, feel free to go sleep. Yes. Thank you so much for dropping by. Yeah. And happy birthday again. Yes. Our birthdays are surprisingly close to each other. Huh. I just noticed that. Okay. Let's grab this and duplicate it. Right, I will go over here and I will just note that this, like right here. Actually, let me grab the big one. This one. There we go. Now we'll just place it like over here. And the other one I will put it like right here. This one needs to go behind. Like that? Yeah. Tienes que usar. Looks like it's going great. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Happy birthday again. Yeah. It's progressing slowly. No se pueden leer, la verdad. It's progressing extremely slowly. Extremely slowly. Yeah. Slowly. Very slowly. Wait. This one needs to go right here. Okay. And then this one needs to go over here. Like that. And then we copy this again and we repeat. This is going to be extremely monotonous. Yeah. Copy pasting all day long. Damn it. I wish when you click to show hide layers, it actually selected the layer you just clicked, because it just causing issues for me. There we go. Ricardo fue a dormir. Sí, Ricardo está dormido. Creo. Vino hace rato. Let's see. No. That goes there. It doesn't. It goes here. And then we place this one over here. I feel like I need a break from programming because I'm making 2 games at the same time. I don't know if you are aware of this. I'm actually programming 2 games at the same time. Okay. I feel like I need to sleep. My brain is slowly shutting down. Por un momento pensaba en poner el stream de fondo cuando vaya a dormir. La verdad no funciona si lo trabajas así. Lo que yo te puedo recomendar es que pongas una película en inglés, audio en inglés, con subtítulos en inglés, para que tu mente empiece a asociar los sonidos a las palabras en inglés. Es lo que yo hice. Primero tienes que asociar los sonidos a las palabras y luego descubrir qué significa cada palabra. Te recomiendo que pongas, por ejemplo, el anime que más te gusta en inglés, con subtítulos en inglés, y así puedes empezar a aprender inglés fácilmente. Es mi recomendación. This is painful. I feel like I'm making no progress. Even though in theory I'm making lots of progress. Wait. That's not what I'm supposed to do. I need to select the new one. This is kinda tiring. Go one by one, little by little. I feel like maybe I shouldn't be doing this on the building editor. I should be doing this on a sprite or something. Verás qué opción de la nada recibir a las 3 de la mañana. ¿Por qué no sueles ver anime? Puede ser cualquier cosa, no tiene que ser anime. es cualquier cosa que tenga imágenes y audio. A manera de que empieces a relacionar palabras a lo que sucede en la pantalla y al texto en los subtítulos. Por eso es necesario que sea audio en inglés y texto en inglés. Yeah. Ok. Provecho. Provecho, Spy. This is so slow. This is kinda painful. Probably as painful, not as painful as watching me do it. And then I wonder why my development streams have like no audience while Terraria has lots. And I sit and do this like for hours. Okay. There we go. I believe we're done. And this is how that looks. That actually looks good. Yeah. It still feels a bit barren by the end, but it's getting there, slowly. Yeah. Ah. Okay. Ah. I just realized I maybe just made a mistake in doing this in this order. I wish there was a way to make things more simple. Okay. Yeah, I should have done the turns before I actually... We're actually doing the copying. Okay. It's going not as well as I anticipated, but it's going, which I suppose is a good thing. Yeah, I'm doing this in not the optimal order, huh? It has become painfully obvious that I'm doing this not the right way. I suppose that's good, I believe. I'm trying to figure out how to make this look like correct. It would be from there, right? So I'm going to like lower the size of this spike as it goes, right? So it slowly grows out. Yeah. Now we'll do the same over here. That actually looks pretty clean. I like it. It still doesn't have like enough tones for my liking, but it's looking good. Yeah. Like that. Okay, that looks good. So I can copy this. And just set it in place. Okay, that looks quite nice. Yeah. Okay. That looks like that. Oh, that looks so nice. Yeah. That actually looks pretty good. Wow. I think this is going to take forever and ever. Yeah. Okay. This is going to be so slow and painful for everyone involved. In more ways than one. Okay. This is going to be so slow. Ah. I wish there was a way to do this easier. I really need to stop using the built-in editor for doing this stuff. I think I'm going to completely remove it from my workflow because it's only like causing issues. Yeah. Ah. It's getting there, it's getting there. Patience, patience. This is the painful part of making games. Ah, that's why you hire someone to do this. It's getting there slowly, very slowly. Yeah. Ah. Ah. I also have the feeling I need to improve my music selection. I feel like it's already gotten repetitive, so I might actually just do that later. Hola Spy, bienvenido. Hola, hola. Bienvenido. This is so slow. Hola, hola. This is taking forever. Esto está tomando tanto tiempo. Duele. Ya casi, casi. Ya casi. Poco a poco. Okay. Ok, veamos cómo se ve esto. Ah. Ah. It looks quite nice, in my opinion. Creo que se ve bastante bien. Okay, let's do one more. Okay. Let's start from here and do something like this. Or maybe just go like that. Or start here and just do a wave. Let's start here and just do a wave. Let's see. Okay. It's not like doing what I wanted to, sadly. Okay, that kinda looks good. Let's see. Yeah, that looks good, actually. Yeah. Okay. So we start right there, right? And then these right here are going to move. Yeah, I think I'm just to delete this. Okay. So we are here. We are not moving. That still look good. Okay, we start to move right there. Okay. Okay, okay. Like that. Okay. Progressing smoothly. Yeah. Okay. Then we go over here. It's not forming the shape I thought it would, sadly. Ah. I suppose it's not bad. And finally that one. What I'm going to do to save some time, I'm just going to copy this. There we go. So now that looks like that. Not bad. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to grab the colors here. And let's make something interesting. Okay. And then let's adjust some pieces. Like that. And then some highlights. Like that? Yeah. Okay. And now that we have that, I can actually just copy this for the other frames. Without issue. ¿De verdad que notado que tanto internet como señal me está fallando continuamente? Eso sí es un detalle importante, ¿eh? Sí. Okay. So that looks like that. Okay. Okay, I think I can start with the highlight this time. So we'll just like go like that. Slowly. I'm trying to make it look a little bit more 3D, but it's not going very well. I'm saving me some work like doing this. Okay, I'm slowly getting there. Okay. El señor Casa me ha platicado sobre todo, bueno, que es mejor que tenemos de hacerlo con una VPN. Yo tengo una VPN y sí recomiendo usar una VPN en general, pero no sé qué reglas tengan donde tú estás. Ah. Ah. I'm sorry. Please excuse me. Okay. That looks not quite right, actually. Okay. That looks nice. Yeah. That looks nice. Se ve bien. Yes. Gracias, gracias. ¿Militares con tenis? No tengo idea de qué estás hablando, la verdad. Okay, this looks good, but it's not like exactly how I wish it looked. Yeah. Probablemente de a lo que te refieres, yo lo conozco por otro nombre. Es lo más probable. Okay, and I can just do this. Yeah. Creo que se ve mejor así. Okay, one moment, I need to open the door. I'll be right back. Un momento, necesito checar algo. Regreso en un momento. Un momento. Okay. Continuemos. Okay. I feel like this is like harder than it should be in general. Siento que esto es más difícil de lo que debería ser. Es bastante impresionante. En serio, a mí se me hace bien común. Creo que necesito otra. Aquí. Ok. Está progresando lentamente, pero progresa. Yeah. Sí, admirable el progreso dedicado. Yo espero que sí. Que de verdad valga la pena. Veamos. Ay, no se ve mal. Pero siento que aún le falta. Yeah. is not bad at all. I like it. I feel like maybe we're missing a turn right here. Maybe I can just make it like a stick sideways, like that. Maybe like just there. Like that. Now that looks really good. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that looks pretty good, actually. Nice. Okay. Okay. That looks good. Yeah, I like it. Now, I can do something else. Let me open these guys up. Just so I can see how this looks. There is an extra frame right here. I think this one should be like over here. Actually, above that one. Yeah. Okay, let's do something interesting. So I'm going to copy this. Oh wow, that's an awful copy. Copy this, please. And we swap sides. And I'm going to just place it like